Today we are going to make a caterpillar on a leaf. At first we are going to make the leaf. Okay, so let's take a scale and a pencil for making the leaf. At first we are going to take the measurement. So the leaf will be 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter. At first we are drawing a straight line for taking the measurement, and let's draw a leaf. Okay, so let's draw a leaf. Okay, so let's cut it down with a scissor. It's a green leaf. Now we want to draw the leaves outline. Now I am going to use this green sign pen for drawing the outline of the leaf. Very careful when you are going to outline, because the outline will be very beautiful. Yes, it looks like a real leaf. Okay, now it's a green leaf and we are going to make the caterpillar. Do you know which things the caterpillar likes to eat? It's green leaf. Now we are making the body of the caterpillar, so we are using glue. At first we are taking yellow cotton ball, then purple cotton ball, now we are going to make the eye of the caterpillar. Okay, one eye, and another eye will be bigger than the other eye. And we are using black sign pen. Okay, now we are going to cut the eyes of the caterpillar. We are using scissor. Okay, so we are going to paste it, look, like this. Okay, it's a small caterpillar, so the eyes will be small. Paste and cut another eye. Okay, I am going to fix it by using white glue. So students, today we have made a caterpillar on a leaf. Hope you have enjoyed our today's class. See you in the next class. Bye bye.
আরো নতুন নতুন ভিডিও পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।